Hey guys, welcome back to Living with Idiots. As you can see, I've started the process of getting rid of the old heated grips, and they were fairly mingy. But begun the process there. I tried to take them off and save them. As you can see, is this one of the old grips. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to. This one refused to come off no matter what I did. So it became victim to my carpenter's knife. Anyway, they're fairly old. I don't think to be any use to anybody or for anything. But I'll show you the difference between those grips and the new grips later on. So I'm just going to continue on cleaning up these grips. There's the connector. The only thing is I can't figure out one. I don't know what that is attached to. I don't understand that at all. Anyway, where this is connected to or where it goes, so leave it with me and we'll get on it. Hey guys, we're in my little shed here, and I just wanted to show you the difference between, this is the old handle. You can see, don't know how the heating system works in this, but anyway, that's the old one. Don't know what sort of grip that is, whether it's a touring grip or whatever. Anyway, and here's one of the new ones. This is the sports grip. As you can see, far better. Actually, it goes that way. No, that way. So that's the left hand side. Better grip. And that's the throttle side. So anyway, I won't bore you with the details of cleaning up the bike to get these on, and we'll get back to you. Okay guys, just a quick update. I've fitted the controller unit onto the bolts, onto the clutch master cylinder. This is the wire. This has to go straight to the battery. So I connected up just to test it, and it is working. This one is just dry fit at the moment, and unfortunately I have run out of cable ties, so I'm going to go get a couple of cable ties and then we'll do the gluing on and connect it up, and hopefully that's it then. The only thing is, this I don't know which is left and right, so I better go find the instructions. See, there's a little dimple there, but I don't know if that's supposed to be there. Could indicate something. Anyway, I'll go and I'll check, or it doesn't matter what way I connect it up. Maybe it doesn't, because it won't work at once. Anyway, I'll go find the literature for it. Okay, so here's another update, quickie. We have it connected up to the battery. Here's the connectors, left and right. Turns out that it doesn't matter which one you connect it to. That's the main switch there, or the main connector. It has a fuse just in case. They've been tested, they are heating up. And if we press this, you'll see this. If you leave it on accidentally and your battery starts to run low, this automatically switches it off. They're all still dry fitted, so I will glue them in, and then I'll show you what I did actually. This one I just routed the wire down underneath his system down here, and that allows plenty of play for the clutch. And this one I just routed them all under this here, so they don't get pinched by the tank when it goes back down. So all I have to do now is get on with tying these all together and tidying away these wires. Hey guys, I'm just running it here to make sure I put the wires someplace where they won't be in contact with hot parts of the engine. Yeah, I'll have to do a job on that. Just I only noticed that the idle rev speed was way too high. It was only at 2000 RPM. So I've adjusted down to 1200, which it should be. That's easily done. This little 50 knot there. See? Yeah. Oh, I better fix this wire. Oh guys, sorry I didn't make a big video concerning putting in that heated grips there, but it's very elementary plug and play system and I didn't want to bore you with it. The reason it's so short, I'm only back from Paris. I've been in Paris for the last 4 days with the kids. We're all absolutely knackered. My daughter is literally only out of bed, so she couldn't video for me, and my wee fella is busy catching up on his games on the PlayStation. Anyway, listen, it's very elementary, very easy, quick plug and play system. I just have to tidy it up. I'll show you what I've done now to reroute the wires, and yeah, we'll do better when we install the Scott oil system. Now I'll show you that I actually got the Magnum reserve tank for the number plate system, but I'll show you that when we get around to that video. Anyway, I'll show you what I've done here. So I've rerouted anyway the wire. I put on my coffee, okay, because it was hitting here off the cylinder head, or here off the cylinder head. That's hot, so we don't want that. So I've brought it down here behind this fairing. I'm just going to attach it. I just still have to use some more things to attach it there. Behind here, down underneath, in behind this fairing, and then here's all the wiring, and I'm going to put all the wiring in underneath here, out of the way, nice and tidy. That's it. The glue is set there anyway, that and on that side there. So I've got plenty of free play there. I just have to attach that wire there to stop it fleeing about. So that's it for the moment, guys. Anyway, we'll do a better video when it comes to the Scott oiler and that, but that'll be in a little while. Thanks for watching, guys.